What's up, loves? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are getting our Asian fusion on, and we are pulling out the pressure cooker for this recipe of honey garlic chicken. If you are looking to make this recipe, never fear, the ingredients will be down in the description box along with the full recipe. Without further ado, let's get started. We are going to start this recipe nice and simple by simply seasoning our chicken with salt and pepper. Once we have all our chicken seasoned, we'll place it at the bottom of our pressure cooker. After you have finished seasoning your chicken, you will need to get a medium-sized bowl so that we can start to make our sauce. So now that your chicken is at the bottom of the pot, it is not on, mind you, we're going to take this green bowl and mix all of our wet ingredients together. That includes our honey, our soy sauce, our onions, our ketchup, our oil, and our garlic. This recipe to start is fairly simple, so it doesn't take a rocket scientist to mix everything in a bowl. So we got it, we're going to mix it up and then move on to the next step. Boom, boom. Once all of the ingredients are in the bowl, you're going to stir it until it has like the consistency of barbecue sauce. So you want everything to be even throughout. You don't want chunks of one thing on one end. Everything needs to be mixed well. Once you have your sauce mixed all together, you're just going to take it and pour it all over your chicken. Simple as that. If you haven't already done so, you'll need to plug in your pressure cooker. You don't want to start your meat cooking until you've closed the lid and made sure that the release valve is closed, because we don't want any steam seeping out. You'll then turn your pressure cooker to lock it and turn the valve to ensure that it's locked as well. Your meat will need to cook on high pressure for 15 minutes. It takes about 10 minutes for your pressure cooker to come to pressure, and then it will cook the rest of the 15 minutes out. So while you're waiting, you can go have you a drink, make you a snack, and then come back once it beeps. When it's almost time for your meat to be ready, you can start preparing for the next step by grabbing your bowl, 1/2 a cup of water, and 3 teaspoons of cornstarch, and you can mix that in the small bowl. This will be used for your sauce. To release the pressure, simply turn your pressure valve in order to let the pressure release, and then remove your lid. In the video, I have already released the pressure, so I simply just need to remove the lid. However, you should never remove the lid without first releasing the pressure. Next, we are just going to remove the chicken from our pressure cooker, and when it is removed, we're going to cut it into bite-sized pieces. These will be the chunks that we'll put back into our sauce. Once we remove the chicken, we will pour our cornstarch mixture into our pressure cooker in order to thicken up our sauce. Next, you will turn your pressure cooker to saute, and once you pour in your mixture with your sauce, you will saute it for 3 minutes and drop your chicken back in. This will allow your sauce to thicken, and then you'll pour it in so that that heat can marinate through your chicken mixture. And that's it. Your honey garlic chicken is done. And all you need to do is make some rice to pour your chicken and sauce on top of. Voila, magic.